Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is updated and backed up. This prevents data loss. Next, cancel any active subscriptions because region changes require them to be cleared. Then prepare payment details, either a China-compatible card, Alipay, or choose none, and have a local Chinese address ready. Once done, you'll be able to edit country settings without interruptions, so make sure every subscription and payment item has been resolved before moving on. You now switch the account region, go to Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. Once there, select Country/Region and choose China. Read the terms because eligibility and content availability change. When prompted, enter a China billing method or select None and supply a Chinese address. This controls what App Store shows you. If an error appears, double-check you've canceled all subscriptions and that family sharing settings aren't blocking the change. Finish by restarting your device and signing back into the App Store so the China catalog refreshes. You should now be able to download region-specific apps and update payment details to local methods for purchases. If something goes wrong, make sure no subscriptions, pending store credits, or family sharing constraints remain. These are common blockers. If issues persist after verifying those items, contact Apple support for account-specific help. Keep your Apple ID details and error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.